guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new travel series. Currently I'm at the International Airport T3 Delhi and हमें finally lounge में access मिल गया है. Yes, so excited about the free food but not that much because we have a great airline to travel with. As you read from the title, we are traveling to Spain and super excited for this trip. And just an update for you all, I got married and that's why I decked up in all kind of cool jewelry. So I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. So stay tuned for this upcoming series. Hey you guys, so we are near our boarding gate, all set to board our flight to Barcelona, but it's not a continuous flight, so we do have a stopover at Zurich and we're traveling with Swiss Airlines. This was the first time that we've done such premium airlines for our travel. Otherwise it always used to be Indigo or Air India and stuff like that. Air India is a premium airline, by the way guys. So very excited to explore some international airlines and excited to take you guys along on this journey as well. As I've already told you, I am really tired and you can probably see that because the wedding festivities were all over the place and we haven't got a proper sleep. So excited to sleep much more than reaching the destination. Excited to catch on some sleep in the flight and I'll probably see you once we land in Zurich. To catch our next flight to Barcelona, and it was quite a task. I don't know, for some strange reason I found the airport a little mismanaged. If you know certain people are transiting through the airport, then you should make sufficient arrangements for that. But no, we got another security check, immigration, and we'll go through a lot, and then we had to literally run to catch this flight. Now we're on our way to take the flight, but this is for the first time this has happened to me, so I'm kind of in a shock, but still all up for the trip. Hey you guys, we boarded our flight to Barcelona or Barcelona. That's how the locals call it, and really excited for this journey. Obviously we were tired because of all the running and the commotion and stuff. We now settled in our flight and compared to the Swiss Air Baltic has more leg space. I mean, even my fiance is feeling oh my god, when will I get over this fact? My husband is also getting more leg space over here and he is heavier on the legs. So if he's saying there's more leg space, it means there is more leg space and stuff. So yeah, it's more comfortable. Obviously it does not have all the benefits, like it does not have a TV and everything, and but I'm absolutely fine with that. Don't really need that. But 2 hours to Barcelona and for this crazy journey to begin. Hola from Barcelona. Yes guys, we've landed here in Barcelona, but there's an unfortunate incident. Our luggage hasn't landed with us. It's still at the Zurich airport and I was kind of tracking it and wondering if it will come here or not, but it didn't really come. So that's a bummer. My fiance does not have anything else to wear, and still I'm carrying some contingency clothes in my suitcase, but that's how it is. The airline has told us that they'll be delivering it to our hotel today by afternoon, so let's see. Crossing our fingers for that. But the trip has started on a bumpy road and for some other strange reason kuch na kuch ho hi raha hai, but still keeping a positive attitude, and now we're just going to get fresh at the airport itself and leave for a hotel. So after filling in some forms, we are on our way to the city center, and as you can see, we've taken a bus which cost us €7 per person. It is one of the most cheapest and convenient way to get to the city center, and it took us about 45 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Hey you guys, so after all that walking, we are here at our hotel and we booked the hotel Gotico. I'll leave the exact name, address, everything and the link to the hotel in the description box for you guys to check out. Just to give you a disclaimer, each and every hotel in Europe cost at least 10,000 rupees a night, and we didn't want to choose Airbnbs because we love our comfort. So we just checked into our hotel. Check-in time was 2 p.m., but they gave us early check-in, and that is so great. So I'll just give you a quick room tour because the view from our room is really nice. Also, we're situated on the second floor. Would have loved a high floor, but nonetheless, not complaining. So here comes the room tour. This is where you enter from, and then the first is the washroom. Let me switch. Oh my god, there's a bathtub here, and I have left my bath salts. It's a huge washroom. I mean, I'm quite impressed. It's a really huge washroom. Moving out, here's where we have kept our luggage, whatever we have, and a mirror. I don't think there's a full length mirror in the room, but nonetheless. Then a place to do some work, a wardrobe, and our beds. That's Shashwat right there, chilling and having some candy. Here is another arrangement to sit and chill. And then the best part is, this room has a balcony. I'll just open it up for you. Wow. And obviously the Christmas lights are up. This is so freaking cool. I have always wanted to live in such a place. And now that I'm here, I am so excited, but oh my god, just look at the view. So pretty.
1 hour later.
Hey you guys, as you can see, we are all ready, and unfortunately Shashwat को तो वही कपड़े repeat करने पड़ रहे हैं. Thankfully I had a few things, but now the plan of action is to go and explore Barcelona. We just can't sit in our hotels and be sulk on the fact that our luggage is not here, but there's some good news. We just got information that our luggage is arriving in Barcelona, so very excited about that. Now the plan of action is to just go out, head out, chill. So guys, थोड़ी ठंड बढ़ गई है, so I'm just wearing my cap. But I'm on my way to the Barcelona Cathedral. Not 100% sure if it's open or not, but let's see. Hey guys, so the first attraction is the Cathedral de Barcelona, which is right behind me. And honestly, it's such an outstanding structure. The ticket cost is about 1,000 to 1,200. We're not really going inside because we will be exploring Sagrada Familia as well. But the grandeur, the architecture is supremely beautiful. I mean, wow. Also, we found the photo thing. I mean, the girl who clicks a photo in a retro camera and then it prints out in a newspaper. We bought that too. It's a tip-based thing, so you can give as much as you want. We clicked one couple picture and she clicked one of Shashwat's alone, and it was really cute. So I'll show you those pictures in a moment. But now we're gonna head to the next attraction. Guys, so currently we are at Primark Barcelona, which is situated on the La Rambla. Before that, we were at Levi's because my husband wanted a sweatshirt and he was literally roaming around in a t-shirt. It was really cold at the moment. And we're just shopping for some knickknacks and stuff. His stuff has not yet come and we're not sure if it's going to come today or not. So we're just getting stuff like underwear and things like that. And also just shopping for some friends. So let's go. I'll show you around the Primark. It's definitely very huge. This is the lowest level, I mean, at Primark Barcelona. And if you go up, it has 4 floors of crazy stuff, and most of it is pretty affordable. This is the accessories section. Hey you guys, so we just got done with shopping at Primark and now enjoying the streets of Barcelona, and my GoPro battery is about to die. I don't know what stupidity I did with this, but truly enjoying the vibe of the city. Definitely we couldn't do a lot of things. We just crossed 2 things of our itinerary. One was the cathedral and the other one was the La Rambla street. where we are roaming around, but the Christmas decorations are adding to the beauty of the entire place. And honestly, like, I feel like this could have been such a great day, but due to our luggage issues it wasn't. But nonetheless, making the most of it. And now we're just heading to a place where we can eat dinner because we are very, very hungry. We've had a proper meal the whole day. So yeah, let's go.
Your sex is on fire,
I'm here to pick up dinner for the night. Looks like a great place. You guys, so we've got back to our hotel and the plan is to have dinner which we packed at Pans and Company. The food smells really good, and then we're going to crash. We need to catch up on our sleep. We haven't slept for the past few days because of our wedding festivities, and now we are here in Spain. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Finding on some local food, vegetable paya.